Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing. Your ultimate destination is to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of innovative technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional. Today, we are going to discuss Amazon Lambda. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It allows you to run your code without provisioning or managing servers. With AWS Lambda, you can focus on writing your application logic and let AWS take care of the underlying infrastructure. Lambda supports a variety of programming languages, including Node, JS, Python, Java, C#, and more. You can upload your code as a function to Lambda and configure it to trigger in response to various events, such as changes to data in Amazon S3 buckets, updates to a DynamoDB table, or incoming API requests through Amazon API Gateway. When a trigger event occurs, AWS Lambda automatically provisions the necessary compute resources to run your code. It scales the resources based on the incoming request rate, ensuring that your functions are highly available and can handle the workload. You are billed only for the compute time consumed by your code, measured in milliseconds. Lambda functions are typically short-lived and stateless. They are designed to perform a specific task or respond to an event quickly. You can create complex workflows by connecting multiple Lambda functions together and combining them with other AWS services using event-driven architecture. AWS Lambda offers a wide range of use cases, including data processing, real-time file processing, backend services for web and mobile applications, IoT applications, chatbots, and more. It provides a highly scalable and cost-effective way to build serverless applications in the AWS ecosystem. 1. Serverless applications. Lambda is a fundamental building block for serverless architectures. You can write small, focused functions and combine them to create complex applications. Lambda functions can be triggered by various events, such as changes to data in AWS services like S3, DynamoDB, or SQS, or by custom events through services like API Gateway. 2. Event-driven processing. Lambda enables you to process events in real time. For example, you can automatically generate thumbnail images when a new image is uploaded to an S3 bucket, process and transform data as it flows through an Amazon Kinesis data stream, or analyze logs in real time. 3. Backend services. Lambda can be used as a backend for web and mobile applications. It allows you to build APIs, handle authentication, perform data validation, and interact with databases or other services. You can create a serverless backend for your application, reducing the need to manage infrastructure and scaling automatically to handle varying workloads. 4. Data processing. Lambda is useful for processing and transforming data at scale. You can perform ETL, extract, transform, load operations on data stored in various AWS services, such as S3, DynamoDB, or RDS. Lambda functions can also be used for real-time data analysis, data validation, or data enrichment tasks. 5. IoT, Internet of Things. Lambda can be leveraged in IoT applications. It allows you to process and respond to IoT device events, perform real-time analytics on sensor data, and trigger actions based on specific conditions. Lambda functions enable you to build scalable and event-driven IoT architectures. 6. Chatbots. Lambda functions can power chatbot applications by processing and responding to user queries or events. They can integrate with messaging platforms, process natural language, retrieve data from databases, and generate appropriate responses. These are just a few examples of how AWS Lambda can be utilized. Its versatility and flexibility make it suitable for a wide range of use cases where you want to execute code in a scalable, cost-effective, and event-driven manner. AWS Lambda offers several advantages that make it a popular choice for serverless computing and event-driven architectures. 1. No server management. With Lambda, you don't have to provision or manage servers. AWS takes care of the underlying infrastructure, including server provisioning, capacity planning, and scaling. This allows you to focus on writing code and building applications rather than worrying about server management tasks. 2. Pay-per-use pricing. Lambda follows a pay-per-use pricing model. You are only billed for the actual compute time consumed by your functions, measured in milliseconds. This fine-grained pricing allows you to optimize costs and eliminates the need to pay for idle server time. 3. Automatic scaling. Lambda automatically scales your functions in response to incoming events. It provisions additional compute resources as needed to handle the workload, ensuring high availability and performance. You don't have to manually configure or manage scaling settings. 4. Event-driven architecture. Lambda functions are designed to be event-driven, allowing you to respond to events from various AWS services or custom sources. This enables you to build scalable and loosely coupled architectures where different services interact with each other based on events, promoting modularity and flexibility. 5. Multiple supported languages. Lambda supports a wide range of programming languages, including Node, JS, Python, Java, C#, and more. You can choose the language that best suits your needs and preferences when developing your Lambda functions. 6. Integration with AWS ecosystem. Lambda seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, such as S3, DynamoDB, API Gateway, Kinesis, and more. This allows you to create powerful serverless applications that leverage the capabilities of different AWS services and build complex workflows easily. 7. Rapid development and deployment. Lambda provides a quick and agile development experience. You can write code, test it locally, and deploy it to Lambda without the need to provision or configure servers. This accelerates the development cycle and enables faster time to market for your applications. 8. Scalable and reliable. AWS Lambda is designed to be highly scalable and reliable. It automatically handles the scaling of your functions based on the incoming request rate, ensuring that your applications can handle varying workloads. AWS also manages fault tolerance and operational maintenance, reducing the burden on developers. 9. Versioning and rollbacks. Lambda supports versioning, allowing you to create and manage multiple versions of your functions. This enables you to deploy updates or experiment with new features without impacting the existing production environment. If needed, you can easily roll back to a previous version of a function. 10. Monitoring and logging. AWS Lambda provides monitoring and logging capabilities through Amazon CloudWatch. You can collect and analyze logs, monitor function invocations, set up alarms, and gain insights into the performance and behavior of your functions. These advantages make AWS Lambda a powerful and flexible platform for building serverless applications, reducing operational overhead, optimizing costs, and enabling rapid development and scalability. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.